Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you on how to view your graphic cards in your Windows, okay? How to manually or automatically update the driver. And the third one is how to roll back the driver into its current states, okay? So all of the three steps will be performed in this video, okay? So the very first step is we need to open our device manager. How we can do that? At the start icon, do a right click and scroll up, then select this device manager, click on it. Okay, so once you're here at the device manager, just expand it. And this time you need to look for display adapters. Okay, click on this forward arrow. And in this manner, you are able to see the graphic cards in your computer. Okay. So how we can able to automatically and manually update the driver. Okay. Just select the graphic cards in your computer, do a right click and go for update driver. Okay. So here it will show two options, search for automatically and search for manually. Okay. Let's go for the first one. Okay, so here, if the best drivers for your device are already installed, then go for search for updated drivers and Windows Update. In that manner, you are able to automatically search for drivers. Okay, so this will take some time, 5 to 7 minutes, depending on your machine or depending on the internet that your computer is connecting to. Okay, just have to wait and restart your computer. In that manner, you are able to update your driver automatically. Okay. So next is we will be able to manually update the driver. So simply click this second option here and go for browse and you'll be directed here at the location and go for downloads. Then click on OK. So in that manner, once you click on next, you are able to manually update your drivers. Okay. So that's the second step on how to manually update the driver. Now, the very third step on how to roll back the driver is just simply click this. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Click on it. And here you are able to see all the graphic cards in your computer. Now here, since we're rolling back the driver, you need to select one by one and test if what graphic cards works for your computer best. So let's click this first one and then click on next and try the second one again and click on next. Okay, so just observe what graphic cards is best for your computer. Okay, so that's it. That's how easy to find the graphic cards in your computer to automatically and manually update your driver and as well as to roll back the driver into its current state. Okay, so hopefully you learned something from this video. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.